I'm Jason Tesler, second generation owner here at Just Dashes, and we've created a really cool product for all you classic car owners that are stuck in the middle, not wanting to take your dash out, but also not wanting to put a piece of plastic or a carpet over your classic car dash. And it can be installed inside a day. Check out this install video and I think you're really gonna like it. We've created the SoftCap. It's a mid-tier solution made from our thermal vacuum formed dash vinyl, our high density foam, and it can be installed inside a day.
Step 1, prep the dash. Start by thoroughly cleaning the dashboard surface. Remove any dirt, dust, Armor All, grease, or loose material. The cleaner the surface, the better the final bond and fitment. Step 2, prep the SoftCap. Lightly scuff the underside of the SoftCap, especially in the bonding areas. This helps the silicone adhesive grip properly during curing. Step 3, apply silicone. Apply automotive-grade silicone adhesive evenly across the bonding surfaces. Focus on the major contact points while avoiding excessive buildup. Step 4, position and weight. Carefully position the SoftCap onto the dashboard. Take your time aligning the edges and vent openings. Once positioned, apply even pressure using sandbags or soft weights to hold everything securely while curing. Step 5, curing. Allow the adhesive to fully cure before driving or removing the weights. Patience here is important for the best long-term fit and finish. That's it. A clean OEM-style dashboard upgrade without removing the dash or waiting months for restoration. Your dash, just better.